Oh, 92, what you said, 92, number 9.
Yeah. 036 they have.
And 995.91.
Yes.
Okay, shh, everybody, so I can just say it one time only.
Yes.
Okay, exercise 92, number 9, 036.2, and 995.91. 12, patient has severe sepsis with acute respiratory failure, so 038.9 for the underlying infections, emphysema. Then they have severe sepsis, so you need the 995.92. And then you need the code for the acute respiratory failure, which is 518.81. Okay. 13, if you go under septicemia and then it's newborn, 771.81. And then 15, sorry, patient with SIRS, secondary to pneumonia, you would code the SIRS first because that's, what they're saying is they had pneumonia and both SIRS. So you would code SIRS first, 038.9, 995.91, and then the 486. Yeah. And then 93, how far did you guys get on exercise 9? Number 7? Okay, so we go to 8. Number 3, 042 and 136.3.
Yes.
042 go first?
Yes, because PCP is an opportunistic condition. So since it's HIV related illness, 042 first and then the PCP.
Where's the PCP?
Yeah.
Pneumocystitis.
What's the code again?
136.3.
136.3?
Yeah. Number 4, patients admitted for dehydration and they have AIDS. Is dehydration a opportunistic condition? No, so dehydration first, 276.51, and then a 042. Okay. Number 5, patients with AIDS in the doctor's office, they're inconclusive, so 795.71.
But you don't need the B76?
No, because they're getting it, it sounds like they're
I took it to say that they went in, doctors didn't have that result.
So, I'm sorry?
I said, I took it to say that they went in, that they took the test, and that's the result.
Yeah,
so
sorry.
I put in the V code.
Yeah.
V code, I would have just coded for the inconclusive because they're going to get the results that day. But patients test for AIDS in the physician's office and the results are inconclusive. If they're only going in just for the screening and they're not getting the results, it'll be the office visit. But it takes some time to get the results. I don't think you can get them that same day. So you always just did the 795.71.
So if he has a V code in there, would that be a denial?
I don't know if it'd be a denial. They'll probably wonder how do they go in for a visit, also get test results the same day and then be tested the same day. Because I don't know if there's such a case where you can get the results tested and get the result the same day.
Because the way it's worded, it says patient is tested and the result. So that's why I read that.
You're going to find a lot of the terminology here is not very clear. I'm coming from the standpoint where if you were to go in and get AIDS, you're not going to get the results today.
Where you're coming from the standpoint where you know if you take the test, it's not a same day result.
You're not going to get the same day result. You're going to have to wait a day, maybe a week or so. So I guess coming from that perspective, I'm just quoting for the inconclusive results. Yeah. So I did the 795.71. Now if there are, then if they went in for screening, I don't know if you can do both. That was something I have to inquire about.
So, I was trying to find out, like, we have like some kind of accident in the States. Why would they check for HIV the same day you just got started?
Why do they check? Because they want to get tested right away. But normally, if someone has AIDS, you don't have it, and you get tested right away, or you get tested, usually they tell you to wait 6 months because what happens, your body doesn't produce antibodies to fight off infections. So when you get an infection, your body's going to start producing antibodies, which is to fight off the AIDS, which should not be in your body. So when they test you for it, they're trying to identify, if they identify that there's HIV antibodies, that means you're infected.
So you just got stuff today.
I know. But what I'm saying is that sometimes they're gonna tell you to wait 6 months, because that's normally 6 months to a year is when you'll find out. Now, why are they asking to do it now? I don't know. Maybe because of something else that they could acquire in addition to the
Is
HIV.
it because they think that maybe they want to make sure that person doesn't have AIDS before they found out, let's say, like we already have AIDS. before
Are
they
they
messed up,
taking, are they testing the patient who got COVID, or are they
They
checking?
check both.
Well, they're checking the other patient, the one that didn't get a poke with the needle. That's a good indicator whether they have it or not. But it still may not mean that the other individual has it. So they would both have to be tested.
You just
Right.
read protocol, right?
But I'm assuming it's just protocol, right? But
What I'm
sometimes,
saying, isn't it like a waste of money because you just got stuff today? It's impossible. to
Is it
find
a-
that's,
out.
okay, that's way out of my league now, I don't know. Let's move forward so we can go.
Yeah.
All right, so for 5, I got 795.71. 647.63 and 042. At 790.7 and 042. And number 8, I got 042 and 011.90. Okay.
What was 7 again? Sorry.
790.7 for the bacteremia and 042.
Number 9.
I'm sorry?
Yeah.
Number 9.
Yeah.
Number 9, 038.42, 995.91, and the 042.